This is a backup file for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. It's not a standard backup. You need to use the Dynamics client to import the objects back into the database. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll walk you through the import. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn FBK files. The creation software tagged this FBK file as an official backup file asset. The Microsoft Dynamics NAV backup file extension is native to its internal logic. The FBK file is a proprietary database backup file used by Microsoft Dynamics NAV, Navision. It functions as a complete sequential copy of the ERP system's database structure, tables, and records, used exclusively for data restoration and disaster recovery. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and designed for transactional integrity. The file can only be correctly restored using the dedicated Microsoft Dynamics NAV database tools, as it must adhere to the ERP system's proprietary recovery protocol. Guaranteed access to FBK files is typically achieved using Microsoft Dynamics NAV, Navision, from Microsoft Corporation. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows can't read the internal data blocks, so accessing content demands dedicated backup tools. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the FBK file and hit Open with. Test Microsoft Dynamics, NAV, Navision if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If the FBK file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The problem with this FBK file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, use Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Open the file using the Microsoft Dynamics NAV development environment, as this is the required application for restoring the backup. Next, restore the database. In the development environment, go to File, Database. Restore and select the FBK file to load the backup data into an existing or new database. Finally, check NAV version. Ensure the NAV version used to restore the file is the exact same version, e.g. NAV 2013, that was used to create the original backup. If your system completely failed to interpret the FBK file, this points to a rigid file structure. The only appropriate solution is to try the professional decoder. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like. Problem solved, just as promised.